Interest in politics, I'm definitely aware of what's going on because I think as an Indian citizen, it's very important to know what's happening in your country. Jogira Sarara, well, he's Nawazuddin Siddiqui. What do I say? I mean, it was an absolute pleasure to work with the maestro. उनकी वहाँ में सबसे बड़ी खासियत ये है कि he's a very giving actor. मैं देखता हूँ 9 out of 10 people are not wearing the mask. They're wearing it here or they're wearing it here. नहीं देखो, let me clear that. Actually, क्या है? Mimo is my pet name. When it comes to controversies, when it comes to unnecessary name calling, it's something every actor or every actress or any person in the limelight should be ready for. मैं इस सब चीजों में इसको entertain नहीं करता. जैसे आपने देखा होगा. In fact, you're the first person I'm even talking about this because for me, this all doesn't matter. The baggage which you talk about. It's always going to be with me. I will always be Mithun Chakravarti's son. वो मैं हटाना भी नहीं चाहूँगा. Audience मुझे क्यों नहीं देख रही है? Why are they seeing dad in me? कि मैं dad की कोई glimpse हो मेरे में, कि dad की तरह dance करूँ या fight करूँ या perform करूँ या फिर कोई एक certain walk हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए. Nepotism का debate बहुत heated हो गया था. So life is a struggle. Challenges आएंगे, failures होंगे.
So
hello.
How are you? Welcome to. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. This is the first time I'm actually doing a Zoom meeting. I've never done Zoom meetings before.
Oh, it's all right.
So,
yes, congratulations. Firstly, people are praising you. What do you have to say? How difficult or easy it was, with this political drama?
Oh, you mean the film Main Mulayam Singh Yadav?
Yes.
Well, it was a very good journey. I mean, I got the opportunity to play Shivpal Yadav ji, which is a very rare occasion, And when I was approached for the story, I was very excited because it's a real life character and it's very difficult to play someone who's actually living, So you need to carry out their attributes. You need to understand what kind of mannerisms they have and how they talk, how they sit, how they eat. So it was a very, very good, exciting challenge, and I think I gave my best.
Okay, so talking about your interest in politics, do you have much or what about the preparations?
See, when it comes to interest in politics, I'm definitely aware of what's going on because I think as an Indian citizen, it's very important to know what's happening in your country. And of course, all around the world as well. As you know that the elections are happening right now in the country. And there's many protests happening in America because of another unfortunate killing of an African-American man. So these things are there. I'm in the loop of everything what's going on. So, but I'm not interested to be in politics because that's a different ball game altogether.
Okay, so as we talk about the protest, even in India, farmer protest is going on, and I'm sure you must be aware of that too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So what is your take? What do you have to say on that?
See, I believe that everything can be worked upon if we have the consensus to talk about it. I believe that any conversation, whether it is a heated argument or whether it is some misunderstanding between two people, it can be easily and very calmly come to a conclusion after two people speak about it. Have a very calm notion and talk about things instead of creating something which is not there. For example, if I have a dispute with you, instead of running around the bushes or instead of me telling you कि नहीं ये मैं इस तरीके से करूँगा, let me just talk to you about it. If everybody comes with that notion of peace, कि हम लोग इसके बारे में बात करके we can come with a solution. I think every solution can come forward, in whichever side that may turn. Because I'm in no position to say who's right and who's wrong, but I'm definitely in a position to say कि बात कर लो, बात करके आराम से बात करो as friends and come with a solution.
All right, and apart from that, talking about your upcoming movie Jogira Sarara, can you just talk about your character and how was it working with Nawaz?
Well, I'll come to Jogira in a minute. I'll just tell you, I have done another film also called Rosh, which is a thriller. It's based on one night. Okay, there are a couple of characters. Of course, I can't disclose much about the film because the film's story it's real suspense. तो इट्स अ स्टोरी अबाउट सर्टेन कैरेक्टर्स और उनके साथ एक रात को क्या होता है एंड हाउ slowly as the movie opens up, how every character is unraveled to the audience. It's a very good story. It's a story on one night. So that's what got me interested. It's ready right now. It's in post-production. So hopefully it will be coming on OTT very soon. And now coming back to Jogira Sarara, well, you know, he's Nawazuddin Siddiqui. What do I say? I mean, it was an absolute pleasure to work with the maestro. उनकी वहाँ में सबसे बड़ी खासियत ये है कि he's a very giving actor. क्या होता है कि you get intimidated because he's Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He's one of the best actors in the country today. He's one of the biggest superstars of the country today. So you're sitting next to him, you're reading the lines, you're giving the dialogues. He's just involved in you. You know, he's not thinking about himself. He's thinking about the scene. He's thinking about हम इस scene को कैसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं. So he's a very giving actor. You know, he keeps giving. And that is why you feel very comfortable around him. You feel like, oh, okay, this man, this superstar, this idol of millions, he is helping me becoming a better actor. So it was an amazing experience to work with him. And the story is also very good. I have a very new look in the film, so I can't disclose the look yet because our director, Kushan Nandi sir, he's like, Nemo, don't share your look with anyone. So I've not taken any pictures. I've not shared anyone anywhere. It's a very new character. So I hope you'll be excited to see me in that after.
Definitely. And since like we all know summer is going on, so any summer tips you would like to give to the viewers and the fans?
Yahi ke, so more than I think more important in summer, I think it's the COVID rise of cases again, unfortunately.
Yes.
यही कहना चाहूंगा कि of course देखो, let's be very practical. Everybody needs to do a thing. Everybody needs to have a life. तो मैं ये नहीं कह पाऊंगा कि घर पर रहो, you know, घर पे बैठे रहो, ये करो. बिल्कुल. I believe that everybody needs to work. Everybody needs to have an earning, and I understand that. बस ये कहना चाहूंगा कि जो गवर्नमेंट ने हम लोग को जो इतना रिक्वेस्ट कर रही है कि please wear your masks, maintain social distancing, wash your hands. These are the three basic things to avoid COVID. And we need to maintain that. We need to respect what the government is telling us because वो हमारे भलाई के लिए कह रहे हैं. Unfortunately, जैसे मैं भी जब भी बाहर जाता हूँ, कोई ऑडिशन के लिए जाता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ 9 out of 10 people are not wearing the masks. They're wearing it here or they're wearing it here. It doesn't make sense. You know, unfortunately, it feels very sad कि देखो आपको कहा है कि आप जाओ बाहर because the government understands that you need to work, you need to make a living, but आपको ये भी कहा है कि आप अपना ख्याल रखो. But nobody is doing that. You know, it's very, very sad to see that nobody cares about the restrictions, nobody cares about the concern what the government has for us. So मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि please आप लोग जो भी देख रहा है interview, just wear your masks. You know, keep them on at all times, especially when you go out. Maintain the distance and wash your hands. किसी को कोविड नहीं होगा. आप WHO का भी देखिए डायरेक्टरी. Even they have said कि maintain these three things. It's more powerful than the vaccine. So I just hope people, you know, abide by that.
Okay, since you are talking about COVID, since we know current situation, lockdown, and the industry is shut, like on whether it's television sets or Bollywood. So, what is your reaction? What do you have to say on this about the complete lockdown for 14 days? Like people were rumors were going down that within 1 or 2 days there will be complete lockdown for at least 14 days. So, what do you have to say on this?
देखिए now again वही जो मैंने आपको पहले कहा था, it comes down to that. Why are the cases rising? It's because, of course, testing is happening, which is a very good thing. But also, people are not following the norms. It comes back to that only. पूरी country को वापस खोल दिया है. England is opened again. Opened up again. California is 90% vaccinated. तो देखिए लोग कर रहे हैं. People are living in the new world, the COVID era world. हमें भी जीना चाहिए, but with the restrictions, with the rules given to us. आप जाके बाहर देखिए, उधर होर्डिंग्स में है कि मास्क पहनिए, दूरी रखिए, हाथ धोइए. I mean, it's 3 simple things. And if people don't abide by that, तो फिर ये लॉकडाउन तो होने ही वाला है. Because the government is being concerned for us. They are thinking कि चलो ठीक है, आप लोग की हेल्थ, आप लोग की सेहत सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. Lives are important. But if we only don't care, if we only say कि नहीं यार कुछ नहीं होगा, हमें नहीं सुनना है, तो फिर क्या होगा? Then lockdown is imminent. Lockdown will happen अगर हम लोग बात नहीं सुने. Just follow the norms and everything will be fine. It's a guarantee, you know.
That's right. And apart from that, मीमो बहुत सारे लोग जो है आपके नाम को लेके कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि योर लाइक मीमो है या महाग से है, एंड कभी आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है? What do you have to say for this?
नहीं देखो, let me clear that. Actually क्या है, मीमो is my pet name. ठीक है ना, it's Michael and Mohammed. So it's MI for Michael, MOH for Mohammed. तो उसको मिला के it becomes मीमो. So मीमो is a pet name. महाक्षय is my real name. मतलब मेरे पासपोर्ट पे, मेरे आईडी में सब जगह महाक्षय रहेगी. अभी क्या हुआ था ड्यूरिंग जिमी व्हेन आई वाज गेटिंग लॉन्च्ड, महाक्षय बहुत लंबा लग रहा था, तो हम लोग को लगा चलो हम लोग मीमो ही कर लेते. सो आई एक्चुअली चेंज्ड ऑल माय आइडेंटिफिकेशन टू मीमो. देन आई सेड कि नहीं यार मीमो तो है नहीं. अगेन आई चेंज्ड इट बैक टू महाक्षय. आप समझ गए? तो फिर हॉन्टेड में विक्रम सर ने बोला कि नहीं मुझे महाक्षय रखना, मीमो नहीं रखना. So basically it is महाक्षय only. मेरा ओरिजिनल जो नेम है, मेरे आईडी है महाक्षय, बट निकनेम है मीमो. आप समझ गए? तो अभी now I have let it go कि जिसको मीमो बोलना है मीमो बोलो, जिसको महाक्षय याद है महाक्षय बोल दो. So basically दोनों का नाम है ही मेरे. So I'm quite cool with anything, you know. वैसे.
Wow, that's nice. And apart from that, we have seen, you know, आपको लेके काफी कंट्रोवर्सी भी हुई है. So does this negative thing bother you? What do you have to say कि like जब भी आपका नाम ऐसे ड्रैग होता है unnecessary controversies में कितना अफेक्ट होता है, and what do you have to say?
See, the point is when it comes to controversies, when it comes to unnecessary name calling, it's something every actor or every actress or any person in the limelight should be ready for, you know, because no matter what position you're in, there is good and there is bad in store. But the most important thing is what is the right thing and the truthful thing. सबसे important बात वो होती है, you know.
Right.
अभी क्या होता है कि when you are truthful and when you're right and when you have nothing to feel wrong about, then there's nothing to think. You know, it's as simple as that. जैसे mom, dad है, भाई बहन है, मेरी wife है, मेरे in-laws है, you know. See, in the end, it only matters is what the people you love, what they think of you. घूम फिर के वही लोग मैटर करते हैं, you know, because देखिए फैंस होते हैं वो आपको देखेंगे पर उनकी भी अपनी लाइव्स है, you know, they are coming once a week to see you so that you can entertain them. That is your responsibility towards them. But जो responsibility मुझे मेरी फैमिली के साथ है, how they see me, how they react to me, is the most important thing, you know. So as long as they know what the truth is, as long as I know what the truth is, मैं इस सब चीजों में इसको एंटरटेन नहीं करता, you know. जैसे आपने देखा होगा, in fact you're the first person I'm even talking about this because for me this all doesn't matter because मुझे सच क्या है वो मुझे पता है. That's all that matters to me. That's what I'm blessed के हम लोग we all are living a happy life, we are safe, we are healthy, you know, everybody is fine. Dad is now campaigning out there, you know. Mom is here, my siblings are in LA, my wife's working 24/7, you know. My brother's getting launched. So I'm in a very grateful place. And that's all that matters to me. Nothing else. Because in the end, I have to come back home to these people. The ones who have raised me, the ones who have been my friends, the ones who love me. But that's all that matters to me. And I'm very happy with that.
Wow, that's great. So that's amazing. And apart from that, since we all know, being a son of a yesterday superstar, Mithun Chakraborty, so how, is it difficult, you know, because people usually compare, and when you have like legendary father, so how easy or difficult it was for you to carry that baggage?
See, क्या होता है कि the baggage which you talk about, it's always going to be with me. Abhi tomorrow, hopefully with your blessings, hopefully with the audience's blessings, tomorrow if I do make a name for myself, you know, if I do become Mimo, if I do become Mahakshay or whatever, I will always be Mithun Chakraborty's son. वो मैं कभी मैं हटाना भी नहीं चाहूँगा, you know. जैसे coming back to this, the previous question, the previous answer which I gave, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm so lucky and blessed to be a part of this family. तो मैं कभी नहीं चाहूँगा कि मेरा नाम हो कि नहीं I am Mimo. I'm honored to be Mithun Chakraborty's son. I'm honored to be Yogita Bali's son. You know, the privilege I get to be known as their child is something which I have, you know. So for me, it's not a baggage, it's a responsibility. But of course, in the starting, जैसे आपने कहा था कि it was overwhelming for me in the beginning. कि यार मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगा, मैं मीमा हूँ, ऑडियंस मुझे क्यों नहीं देख रही है, why are they seeing dad in me? Thing is, because he's dad, because of the stardom which he has gained all these years, because of the love he has been given by the fans, of course उन लोग expect करेंगे कि मैं उनकी तरह I'm sorry, of course उन लोग expect करेंगे कि मैं डैड की कोई glimpse हो मेरे में, या डैड की तरह डांस करूं या फाइट करूं या परफॉर्म करूं या फिर कोई एक सर्टेन वॉक हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए. They are right in their part. I have to give my best to make sure I entertain them, not by the pressure which I'm in, but by the talent which I have in my way. ना जैसे आपने कहा जोगीरा सारा के बारे में, it's a completely new character for me, which I've never done before. You know, so for me it's not कि मैंने दिमाग में रखा था, ओ अच्छा ये कैरेक्टर देख क्या लोग मुझे पसंद करेंगे, क्या लोग मुझे कंपेयर करेंगे. I just went for it. Why? Because it's an opportunity to show my talent. तो क्या होगा if people like me in the film, they will see Mimo's talent and they will say, oh अच्छा मिथुन के बेटे ने अच्छा काम किया. You see how it's connected? तो वही मेरे लिए important है कि मैं अपना काम करूं and then लोग मुझे accept करें and then it goes on like a river.
Wow, that's nice. And since like being a star kid, ये सारी चीजें भी आती हैं, you know, nepotism usually लोग बात करते हैं कि star kid तो launch बहुत easily हो जाता है. And since now we were talking, तो तभी आपने एक line बोली थी when you go for auditions. So star kid होने के बाद भी it's not that easy. आप खुद भी audition देते हो. But लोगों का ये कहीं ना कहीं जो perception है like regarding this nepotism, what do you have to say? And do you really think it exists?
ठीक है, now let me clear this. ये थोड़ा सा I need to break this down. क्या होता है कि unfortunately last year ये nepotism का debate बहुत heated हो गया था.
Yeah.
Many actors and actresses who are from the industry, you know, I won't even call them star children. They're part of the industry. You know, like I've grown up watching dad's films in theater, in trials shows होते थे. I've grown up going on the set. See, it's my world. That doesn't make me a star kid. It just makes me his son. It just makes me his child. You know. Now tomorrow, if there is someone who's working in the army and his child roams around the army base, so he'll definitely be his child, right? But he just roamed around the army base. So that is his environment. Movies has always been my environment. My mom was an actress for so many years. My dad is still an actor. You know, so me and my siblings, even my wife is an actress. You know, even her father was a director. Even her mother is an actress. So it's the environment we are in. So that doesn't make us star kids. It's just the environment which we're in. First, second, nepotism के बारे में देखिए. अभी आपने जो मैंने कहा, nepotism does not exist for me because I've been studying for the last 12 years. You know, I have not gotten a break yet. I have given Haunted. You know, Haunted was a solo hit, but still people did not recognize me. Fine, I'm okay with it. You know, पहले मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता था. मुझे लगता था कि मुझे कोई opportunity नहीं मिल रही है. But then I realized I cannot take things personally. कि मैं अरे मीमो को मुझे क्यों नहीं दे रहे? Like me, there are a million other boys out there who are far more talented than me, far more gifted than me. But I am the one who got Jogira Sara. I am the one who got Rosh. I am the one who got Mulayam Singh. It is not because I'm a star kid. It was because I was there at the right place at the right time. That's all. It is as simple as that. Today, the opportunity the star kids, as you call them, are getting, they are freaking talented. Alia Bhatt has proven that she's one of the greatest actresses of our generation. You know, Abhishek Bachchan, I'm his biggest fan because of the way he performs. You know, he's not Amitabh Bachchan's son. For me, he's always been Abhishek Bachchan. You know, Sonakshi Sinha stands out in her performances. See her career graph. You know, Varun Dhawan, power-packed entertainer he is. So the point is, I'm not taking their side. I'm not going against them. I am just a struggler like everybody else. I go to auditions. I wait in the lines. I message everyone. I get no replies. I get promises which are broken. It's just the industry. But that is the reality. When you sign up to be an actor or a director or a writer or a producer or an actress, anyone, failure is inevitable. ये आपको अपने आप को कहना ही पड़ेगा. The moment you want to be, 99% of the time you will fail. कितने ऑडिशंस में गया हूँ जहाँ पर मुझे फर्स्ट ऑडिशन के बाद बुलाया नहीं. Does that mean I'm a bad actor? No, I was not required for that. Simple enough. I messaged casting director saying that give me the opportunity. Some reply, some don't reply. Do I take it personally? No. They have their own lives. They have their own things to deal with. I cannot take it personally. You know. So for me, nepotism doesn't exist, and I want to tell everybody out there, okay, I personally am just like that. And all the opportunity, all the other boys and girls are getting who are from the start, from the acting heritage, they have been given the opportunity because they've been around that circle. You know, they have been around that circle. तो अभी अगर मैं आपको एवरीडे देख रहा हूँ, आप मुझे मौका तो दोगे, इवेंचुअली तो दोगे ना मौका, कि चलो ठीक है इसको दे देते हैं. So that's what it is. It's not कि यार ये नहीं मैं ये हूँ मैं इसको ही हूँ. He or she must see something in them. But now why will they invest so much of money? Because paisa in the end comes down to the money. Why will I invest hundreds of crores on a project on a person I don't believe in? वो कॉमन सेंस की बात ही नहीं हो रही. मैंने कुछ देखा है इस लड़के या लड़की में, इसलिए मैं वो फिल्म बना. It's as simple as that. Tomorrow if people see that talent in me, if producer and director से कि नहीं इसके में वो काबिलियत है परफॉर्मेंस करने की, मुझे बुलाएंगे, मुझे देंगे ऑफर. But it's the talent, na? In the end, it's the talent. Today, Ananya Pandey has become a national icon because she has targeted the youth. The youth look up to her. देखो, trolling सब जगह होती है. आप ये मैं agree नहीं करूँगा कि मुझे लोग गाली नहीं देते. You know, सब जगह सबको गाली पड़ती है, and that is very good because it shows that people are interested in your downfall. आप समझ गए हो? अभी अगर मैं उठ के सोचूं कि अरे यार ये एक्टर या ये एक्ट्रेस का डाउनफॉल होने चाहिए, आई एम गिविंग माई सेल्फ द परमिशन टू फील बैड फॉर दिस पर्सन. एंड उस आदमी को उसको पता भी नहीं है कि मैं उनके बारे में क्या सोच रहा हूँ. दैट पर्सन इज ऑलरेडी वन बिकॉज आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग माई एनर्जी, नेगेटिव एनर्जी, यू नो. सो इट ऑल्सो nepotism for me doesn't exist. For me, what exists is only talent. Right place, right time, opportunity, and your own hard work and the talent which you have. These things matter to me.
Okay, so do you think like your upcoming film Jogira Sarara can be a turning point for you, like in your career graph?
I hope it is because the thing is, देखिए सबसे आगे सबसे पहले तो किस्मत की बात. I believe every project I do should be a turning point in my career. Jogira Sarara is it's important to me because, as I said, इसमें मैंने एक पूरा new character play किया है. Something I haven't done before. You know, from the look of the character to the mannerisms of the character to the way he responds to the world around him to the way he looks, everything. उस पूरे हम लोग ने इस पे work किया है. Me, Kiran ma'am, the creative director, Prashant sir, the director, we three sat and discussed the character in whole. कि ये character कैसा होने चाहिए? Because he's completely different from all the other characters in the film. You know, of course, I can't disclose much about the film right now. I'm sorry about it. But ये कहना चाहूँगा कि it's something which I want your audience to say, अरे ये मीमो है, मीमो ने ये किया. You know, if the audience accepts me, the industry will take notice. If the industry takes notice, I will get the opportunity. मैं तो बस यही प्रे कर रहा हूँ कि लोग पसंद करें फिल्म को. एक भी ऑफर आ जाए ना, it's my victory. That's what I believe.
Wow, that's nice, and definitely we all are waiting for it. And since like we can see you like behind your wardrobe and
this is my wife's wardrobe.
Okay.
So ये जो light आ रही है, that's the ring light. Usually जैसे आपको मैंने कहा कि usually she sits here and gives her interviews. She's a very big influencer on Instagram right now. She's got like 6 lakhs followers and all. तो वो इधर बैठ के उनसे बात करती है. तो उन्होंने कहा she is on shoot right now. So उन्होंने कहा कि इधर बैठ के तुम भी कर लो. So this is actually all this. Everything is hers, huh, by the way. सब कुछ उनका. मेरा छोटा सा एक उधर दूर उधर रहता है मैंने मेरे कपड़े उधर ही. ये उनका है.
Wow. Okay. So apart from that, yes, since we know कि you know आपके family काफी busy है and during this pandemic also people are working, even you are working. So apart from that कोई और है like कोई movies या कोई songs या कुछ shoot in pipeline or you would love to do with someone?
See, I am as an actor now today, like today's times as we call it, क्या हो गया है कि like besides a few actors, Like besides Ajay Devgan, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar, Hrithik Roshan, Ayushmann, Ranveer, besides like a couple of handful of actors who have reached the level of superstardom. Besides them, it's the era of actors, like performance करने की actors, which means opportunities बढ़ गई. So when it comes to films, when it comes to television, when it comes to web, I'm open to all. And I'm excited because क्या हो गया है, web के आने के बाद ना एक तीसरा दरवाजा खुल गया है. And not just for me, all those actors out there with their aspirations and dreams, जिनको लगा कि इससे films और television ही है, एक दूसरा एक medium खुल गया है. Such a beautiful thing. So many people are getting work. Whether it's the lightmen, whether it's the DOPs, whether it's the post-production people, there's so much of new work coming in, you know. Because एक actor तो एक production तो नहीं बना सकता है. It's so many people on set which make a film, which make a product. So I'm so happy कि देखो ये एक दूसरा एक दरवाजा खुल गया है. जिनको opportunity नहीं मिलती थी, वो अभी उनको मिल रही है. You know, how big or small doesn't matter. It's the opportunity which matters. So I'm very excited that there are talks going on now for a couple of web films and web shows. Of course, I can't disclose anything yet. Fingers are crossed. Abhi because ये COVID का suddenly ये cases बढ़ गए थे, तो everything has now come to a standstill, unfortunately. But I believe सब कुछ अच्छे के लिए होता है. So opportunities are coming. I've been talking to a lot of people. Some things are cooking up. So maybe next time जब आप मुझसे बात करेंगे, I can give you the good news.
Sure, definitely. And since you were talking about social media, आप इतने active नहीं हो. What is the
मैं
reason
हुई
behind
नहीं.
it?
मैं हुई नहीं social media में, बिल्कुल नहीं. And the reason is because मैं पहले होता था, to be honest. मैंने बहुत सालों तक I was on social media, whether it's Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you name it. Suddenly मुझे लगा कि I personally have gone into that place where I'm comparing myself to others. अरे उसके पास इतने followers है, मेरे पास क्यों नहीं? अरे उसके पास वो गाड़ी है, मेरे पास क्यों नहीं? You know what I'm saying? तो मैं उस web में घुस रहा था, and it was very dangerous. It was very suffocating for me. You know, अरे यार उस person ने मेरी photo को क्यों नहीं like किया? Example, you know. So that's not my life. Today, वही same time जो मैं सोशल मीडिया को देता था, अभी मैं घर पर हूँ. जैसे आपको पता है कि लॉकडाउन है, अभी काम नहीं है. तो आई एम स्टडिंग ऑनलाइन. इनफैक्ट आपके ऑनलाइन आने से पहले आई वाज फिनिशिंग अ कोर्स. मैं अभी आई एम डूइंग अ कोर्स विद द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया, एंड आई एम डूइंग अ कोर्स ऑन एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन्स थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी. तो एक प्रॉपर 2 months का कोर्स है जो आप ऑनलाइन पढ़ते हो. सो यू गेट लेक्चर्स, यू गेट क्विजेस, यू गेट एसेज. आई लव लर्निंग. You know, I read a lot of books. I'm reading this book called The Operator. It's based on the Navy SEAL who shot Osama bin Laden. Uski puri biography. So I learn a lot of languages. I'm learning Spanish, French, Italian, German. So you know, I'm investing my time on these things. जो मैं पहले social media के में जो पूरा scroll करता था, now the same phone has become my learning tool. So that is again, it's very personal for me. I don't believe that everybody should do it. मेरे लिए, I didn't want to be in that web of comparisons, so I came out of it. I feel very good, and I'm investing at the same time on these things.
Great, that's nice. So, well, lastly, Mimo, जाने से पहले क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे अपने fans, followers को? What message like देना चाहोगे during this pandemic and also about the life? What do you have to say?
देखिए, first, as coming back to the pandemic, जैसा आपको मैंने कहा कि please follow the norms the government has told us. Wear your mask, wash your hands, keep your distance. Most important. And the most simplest things to do. Please follow karo. It is for our own health and our own safety, our own benefit. So please follow that. It's my humble request to all of you. When it comes to life, life is a struggle. You know, everybody has their own struggle. Now you might be thinking that, okay, I'm sitting here talking to you about struggle when you can see my wife's photo behind. So that doesn't make sense. The point is, everybody has their own iteration of a struggle. Struggle can be, arey yaar, I want to eat pizza, but I can't eat pizza. Example. Struggle can be, I want that big film, I'm not getting the film. Struggle can be, arey, I want to go to that trip, I can't go. So everybody has their own iteration of struggle. So life is a struggle. But it is only when we endure the struggle, it is only when we accept कि देखो life है ही, hardships आएंगे, challenges आएंगे, failures होंगे. Only when we accept this, can we actually be free? Because हम देखो सबको खुशी चाहिए, सबको सक्सेस चाहिए, सबको पैसा चाहिए, सबको अपने ड्रीम्स पूरे करने हैं. 8 billion people on the world want the same thing. Everybody wants the same thing. We will not get it at the same time. Understand this. Every day we wake up, I want that call from that big production house. Like me, again, as I told you, there are a million boys out there who want the same thing. You get it?
Right.
So that production house cannot call 1 billion boys at the same time. Possible nahi. So I have to be practical. I have to be okay, yes, the time will come. Make peace with time. Make peace with your surroundings. Keep giving. Because देखो, giving is the most important thing. आप अपने वक्त के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं? जैसे आपको मैंने कहा कि I'm making use of this time. I'm learning. I'm trying to educate my mind. I'm trying to see videos where I can understand about science, where I can understand about history. I watch making of films. जितनी भी films की makings होती है, मैं बैठ के YouTube पे वो देखता हूँ कि इस film में इस actor ने क्या preparation की, director का क्या approach था. Examples. So I'm giving myself that time. वैसे ही all the people out there who, whether they are part of the industry or not, whether they want to come, whether they are from different parts of the world, देखो खून पसीना तो देना ही पड़ेगा, उसके बिना तो कुछ होगा नहीं. खून पसीना देना ही पड़ेगा और इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. ये मत एक्सपेक्ट करना कि मैंने इतना किया है मुझे अभी मिलना चाहिए. You will get it. Everybody gets their opportunity. I guarantee you this. When you will get it, it's not in our hands. That's in his or her hands. He or she is the decider. So you have to just keep giving, be at peace with it, and the time will come.
All right. Thank you so much, Memo. It was a pleasure talking to you, and definitely we all are waiting for your film. And once the film is announced, definitely we'll do once again. And thank you so much. Have a great day.